Before you can choose which products to sell in your store, you need to decide which payment system you want to use so that people can pay for your store products. Click on Products in the top menu. Click Store Settings in the left-hand menu. Configure your store URL. Select which payment methods can be used to buy products in your store. You have to choose a payment system even if you are only adding free products to your store. Create your products. For each product you want to sell via your store, select the checkbox called Sell this product in store. Make sure that you're not issuing a QR code for this product. A QR code is a type of ticket and must be linked to an event to be redeemed via the check-in app. You're all set. Please note that you don't have to sell all of your products in your store. It's totally up to you.